The Facebook post by Brooklyn College professor Professor Parihk reads in part, "Hispanics are good people, but are they really the population which America needs for the rest of this century when more and more education is required?" So I'm curious, what did you mean by that?
That I think I can understand why people would find it irritating.
Irritated is one way to put it. Latino student organizations at Brooklyn College, which is 22% Hispanic, rallied together today to protest Professor Parihk.
He believes that the Latinx community is not a population that America needs, that we're undesirable, that we're dropouts, and we say no to that.
The post, which erroneously calls all 11 million undocumented immigrants Mexicans, goes on to say Hispanics have the highest rate of dropping out of school. Immigration is good, but I hope someone would explain to me why Mexico is getting the lion's share, adding, Indian Americans have the highest rate of going to college. The suggestion seems to be that Indian Americans are smarter than Hispanic Americans. Is that what you believe?
They might not be smarter. It could be that there is more selectivity. Right? I mean, it could be. I mean, there are a lot of stupid people in India, but they don't come here.
Are you suggesting that the Hispanic population that comes here is not as smart as the population from India that comes to the United States?
That's hard to say.
And this is the second time that students have gathered this semester to protest the faculty members' comments that they've considered insensitive. Just last month, Professor Mitchell Lamberg's post on his public blog in response to the contentious Kavanaugh testimony caused another protest.
I think that while they have a right to march, they should also accept my right to express my opinion.
In Brooklyn, I'm Cristian Benavides, Pix 11 News.
All right.